So, soil test. Some of you are struggling and you don't even know it. And it's your nitrogen has gotten off, your potash, your phosphorus, the pH just is too acidic or too alkaline. A soil test kit is a very easy way to check that in your own backyard. You do not have to be an expert. These rapid tests really make it easy. You've got 10 tests in each of these tubes, and they're color coded. So you simply put some soil in there, add some water, shake it. You read it by what color, and it'll tell you whether you're over, under, what to do at that point. If you know what your nitrogen, phosphorus, potash is, and what your pH, those four basic things, you can up your game instantly with your gardening. If the pH goes too high, your tomatoes will stop blooming. They'll shed fruit. They have a yellow cast to them. Those are all indications that the pH has gotten too high. Everyone thinks it's iron deficiency. It's not. It's pH has gotten tweaked. And so you really want to test before you start the season. And I would say every couple of months, or as you see things, it was growing like crazy, then it stopped, do a soil test. Probably your nitrogen's a little off. If you had some fruits and they were bigger last year than this year, it's probably your phosphorus. Phosphorus is what increases the size of and an easy element to add to your gardens if you know you have a phosphorus deficiency. Soil test kits. I don't think enough gardeners use these or use them correctly. And so if you use them more often, it's worth the $30 or whatever it is to make you a better garden throughout the year. Soil test kits. That's how you use them here at Waters Garden Center.